overall goal of this procedure is to analyze the phenotype of human pro-inflammatory M1 and anti-inflammatory M2 macrophage subsets by 2D differential in gel electrophoresis. This is accomplished by first labeling proteins extracted from primary M1 and M2 macrophage cultures with cyanine dyes. In the second step, the proteins are mixed together and isoelectrofocusing by rehydration is carried out on the samples. Next, second-dimension electrophoresis is performed with a mobilized pH gradient, or IPG strips, in the dark, and then the gels are scanned with the differential in gel electrophoresis scanner. Ultimately, analysis of the numerized images is performed to detect the differences in the polypeptidic spots between M1 and M2 macrophage subsets.
The main advantage of this technique among existing methods like classical 2D gel electrophoresis is that this technique is more sensitive, requiring only 5 micrograms of proteins, which is very important for samples obtained from human patients. Demonstrating the procedure will be Marion Bouvet, a PhD student, Olivia Beseme and Maggy Chwastyniak, technician from my laboratory.
To prepare primary cultures of monocyte-derived macrophages, begin by diluting 25 ml of Buffy coat in 25 ml of PBS. Then carefully load the diluted blood onto a separation gradient and centrifuge the